Crazy here, back in the video here. Today we're watching Legacies Season 4, Episode 11. Last episode was okay, nothing too special. Where is Landon? We need Landon back. Hopefully we get him back. Hope and Lizzie teaming up. Hope and Lizzie team up. You know, I'm pretty sure people are excited about that. It should be dope. I'm waiting for Alaric and Landon to come back though. I don't really care about Ted. Just Landon and Alaric come back, find their way back, and it looks like they might. Maybe because they found a genie, so I'm not sure. What else happened? Caleb and Ethan can come back to the school, I guess. Yeah, there's just a lot of different things. Nothing really stood out in the episode, honestly. But let's get right into this episode. I can't wait for this episode. I'm ready to see. Is Landon gonna come back in this episode? Maybe. Who knows? Let's get right into it. Thank you guys for all the support. It's me, Brother Z. I don't even know why I did my outro. Let's get right into it.
Magnus the Magnificent, the Master of Illusion, the Wizard of Wonders.
Let's go back.
Come on, Luna. I thought you were old enough for the scary stuff now. Tell you what, you do it, I'll let you have my necklace, the one you're always trying to borrow when I'm not looking. But you gotta make it all the way through to the end.
Valentina?
She's gone. She ran away. At least, that's what you're going to tell people. I could make you forget all of this. But where's the fun in that? Besides, no one would believe you anyway.
All right, first stop on the tour, study hall. Pro tip, if you sit near the back left doors, you can slip through the kitchen and be first in the breakfast line. Just stick with me. All right, I'm kind of a legendary first day wingman.
Hey, do any of them know that I'm
What, a monster magnet? Nope, because you're not anymore.
As long as we gently break the monster news to the students and reassure them that it's been solved, hopefully they won't leave the school like last time.
Good morning, students. Today is my last day as interim headmaster before Miss Eve Bloom takes over. But before she arrives, there's something you should know. The rumors you've heard are true. A monster did attack the school, but we have a new spell in place to prevent it from happening again.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Which will never work, frankly. The monsters will find a way, like they always do. We're all going to die.
I thought we were killing Aurora. Why are we here?
We're here, young Padawan, because a carnival is the perfect place to blend in while we run some tests.
I feel deep down that I am going to wish that I didn't ask this question, but what kind of tests?
Before I find our 1,000-year-old vampire, I just need to know that you're in control of your new powers.
Oh, sweetie sire. You've been a vampire for what, 5 minutes? I am just as good at this as you are. Need I remind you, my mother is a vampire.
Who's never around? Your father's an alcoholic vegetable, and your sister left you behind to go on a walkabout to find herself. Oh, you see, your buttons are too easily pushed. It's the first time you were without your psychic connection to Josie, and quite frankly, emotional stability has never been at the top of your resume. If you can't control your emotions, you have no shot at controlling your powers.
You going my way?
Hey.
Oh, damn, Caleb. How did you swing this?
this? I didn't. This is me right here. It's to make an epic road trip back to school.
Ladies want to test your strength? Are you too delicate?
All right. Test number 2.
Make the bell ring.
No, anyone can do that. I want you to practice controlling your strength. Get as close as you can to the top without actually touching the bell. Closest wins.
Okay. I'll be your way, darling.
2, 0. Back to class!
Oh.
All of you!
What's your name?
Excuse me, Miss
Eve Bloom. Your new headmistress.
This sucks.
Oh, I'm having plenty of fun. What's the score again?
It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. What's wrong? Are you lost?
Someone took my sister. You believe me?
Of course I do. And don't worry, we'll find her. Won't we?
Yeah, sure we will.
She said the tunnel thing is that way.
Yeah, that's why we're going this way.
Bro.
I thought we were helping her.
And I thought you were smart enough to read between the lines. I need to be less reckless, remember? No extra complications. Helping out random strangers in need is the definition of complicated.
Where should I go? Wherever you want.
Is something wrong?
No, I just... Look, this truth weed is really freaking me out. I'm afraid I'm gonna say something stupid.
Like what?
Like, I don't want to be around you, okay? Like, I just want to be alone.
Of course. Sorry to intrude.
Then we'd have to explain that he's supernatural, which he clearly hasn't told them, but that's probably just because of the glitching powers, which we know about, but they can't. Yeah, you tripping. Yep, this is how we'll do it. We say we're here to help with their paranormal problem, then fix Ethan without them knowing. How are two teenagers that have met like one time gonna help them with the paranormal problem? You're right. We need Dr. S. Well, he's in a coma, and we out here in Mayberry wilding without a play.
Sure about that? Lizzie left her illusion ring.
Bro.
This is just so wrong.
Are you here about
Or is that
the
same one or a
ghost?
different one?
I mean, at first I didn't believe it, but we hear footsteps at night and we find that the TVs turn to football games and food goes missing all the time. It's like there's an invisible spirit living in our house.
Yes, yes, exactly. We're here to get rid of your ghost.
Then come on in.
Should to see me until after.
I'm the student you want to talk to. I burned down the red oak tree. There's nothing left of it now.
Bro.
I see.
I've been very candid.
Oh, I'm just not afraid of you stopping me.
Bro, who eat, bro?
Thanks for that, darling. It's been a long time since I felt a good aneurysm spell. But now it's my turn to show off.
Because if you can be manipulated that easily, then you're useless to me. Congrats. Got what you wanted. You're finally on your own.
This partnership's over.
I'm getting something. It's a name.
A name.
Yes, it's a name. And that name is Ben. Ben and Jed. Telling you that the curse that has been affecting you has now been lifted.
I think that's enough. My mom taught me 2 things by the time I was 10. Always aim for center mass and always listen to my gut.
Oh.
My gut's telling me that you are not who you're pretending to be.
Hey, this is all a bad dream. Go to sleep. Ethan?
You guys shouldn't have come.
We want to help you with your powers.
There's nothing wrong with my powers. All I want you to do is compel her to forget all of this and leave.
Where are we?
You're subconscious. We're in your head right now. Since the stake is gone, I need inspiration for what to do next.
You can't force me to give you inspiration.
No, but I can take it. And I assume each one of these is an essential part of you. Your will, your emotions, your power. And one of these is your inspiration.
Bro, how are we letting Aurora
A feeling.
make this scary? Tell me.
I've been looking for you. that is quite a show you two put on. Beating all of our games. Almost like you didn't care who knew what you were.
Was there something you wanted?
Just to give you a little warning. You see, we don't take kindly to strangers poaching on our hunting grounds.
We.
Yes, ma'am.
Take him out.
We.
Carnival full of vampires. It's not half bad as far as cover stories go.
Well, most of the colonies are humans. There's only a few of us left. 'Cause we do things the right way.
Oh, I was unaware that there's a right way to be a vampire.
And therein lies the problem. But the old ways must be preserved. Meg, either you join our merry band and you learn at the feet of a true master, or else.
First, she's not my friend. Second, they're all sweat.
You find out how hard it is to fight someone who is centuries older than you.
That might be a little bit of a problem for me. If I only were a creature of the night, that is. Didn't know I could do that. Cool.
That's not why.
Then why are you avoiding him?
I don't know.
You're lying.
I literally can't, remember? It's all jumbled and confusing, and I just feel this pressure like I'm gonna say the wrong thing to him.
Why? You are a strong one, aren't you?
Oh, man.
I think we need to have a little chat.
Bro.
About what?
Not sure. But I had a vision of you, and I'm hoping you can tell me why.
Help me.
New test. Let's hunt some condescending vampires.
Love to see it. Let's go.
Yeah, no offense. Kind of used to excruciating pain at this point. Occupational hazard.
If you don't start talking, I'm going back to the school and killing every single student, one by one, and every death will be your fault.
So the plan is to just stay without your family even knowing that you're here?
I was headed home to tell them about my powers, but the closer I got, more invisible I became. I didn't even realize it at first. It was like a subconscious reaction. I guess I didn't even want them to see me or to know why I was coming home. What do you do when all you want is to be with your family, but you can't even look them in the eye?
Eventually, I told him.
Didn't go so well, though.
And how did that go?
Pretty terrible. You can come back. Cleo found a spell to fix the curse. You know I killed Landon, right?
Yep. Tragic times, too. Tragic.
I need 2 volunteers.
Yes.
We'll do it.
Yes. But prepare yourselves. What comes next is not for the faint of heart. In fact, some of you may even have to look away from the horror. But for the bravest of you, I ask that you clear your minds. If you're going to fall to the ground, asleep. 3!
I don't think it worked.
Perhaps your friend is a bit more docile. Your eyelids are getting heavy.
They're really not.
Seems we have some troublemakers here. Remove them, please.
Are you calling to your vamp bros? Because I think they might be indisposed. Besides, It's not like anyone's going to believe you.
By now. Want to test it?
I think I like him.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
Sorry, look, I know it's all kind of messy. I just kind of don't know who to talk to about it.
Then how about me? Talk as long as you want.
She thinks it's cool.
Awesome.
I mean, it's still freaking weird, but he's my brother either way. Take care of him, okay?
You got it.
And if you see Finch, tell her that I said hey.
Oh.
Or hi, or whatever.
Wow.
Only if you see her.
Okay. Let's hit the road, guys. Can't wait to see how you fixed up that sweet Corvette. I've always wanted to ride in that thing.
My God.
Time to go.
She was my best friend.
Luna, what comes next is going to be scary and hard. The pain will probably never go away. You're going to miss her. It's okay. It's okay to miss her and feel sad. Because you're also going to feel something else. You're going to feel your sister beside you. No matter what. Like she's a part of you. Because she is. What's the next test?
Nothing. Enough of the tests and the rules. You and I could find our own way that works. Could be fun.
No more carnivals?
Absolutely not.
After we find Aurora, maybe don't take it away. The connection, sire bond, whatever.
What?
I don't think I'm ready to face the world alone.
You see, I'm a great teacher. I should open up my own school, but for tribers only.
Hope you're the only one.
I know.
Oh, so he's coming back alive. See?
They'll be able to kill a tribrid.
We'll find a way to warn Hope.
I don't think Hope is the only one in trouble.
Well, fam.
The gods have been sleeping for a long time. If Aurora does find a way to wake them up, we're gonna need to warn the whole world.
And Aurora, she's just not it. She's just not villain at all. Like, bro, she was literally barely even a character in the originals. I don't even remember anything about her in the originals. And now she's like so powerful. Just has me lost. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna wrap it up. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I need to watch the promo for the next one because I think people were excited for the next episode. And I think the next episode is a pretty big episode. So, if it's about my boy Landon, we didn't get any Landon in this episode, bro. Trash. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's been Legacies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.